Hello friends, my name is Som Yamgar from class 5th. Today we will learn subject science of class 5, chapter number 4, safety and first aid. First aid. Wash away all dirt around the wound. Clean the affected area with soap and running water. Clean the affected area with cotton and apply the antiseptic lotion on the wound. If possible, bind the bandage on the affected area. First aid nosebleeds. Make sure the victim sits upright and bends the head a little bit forward. Ask the victim to once blow the nose in a tissue in order to clear the nose of broadcast. Do not blow the nose if the nose might be broken. For example, if the nosebleed was caused by an accident like ball on the nose. Pinch the nose. Use your thumb and index finger to pinch the nostrils shut. Continue to pinch for 10 minutes. If the bleeding does not stop, continue for 10 more minutes. Visit a doctor if the bleeding does not stop after you pinch twice for 10 minutes. Fracture. A crack or a break in a bone is called fracture. Minor burn. Minor burns are very painful. They can be treated at home. First aid. Let running cold water flow over the burn until apply an antiseptic cream. Serve burns. First aid. Gently cover the burn with a clean piece of cloth. If the victim is in state of shock, give him a warm drink. Serve burns must be treated by a doctor. Chemical burns. First aid. Remove any clothing from the affected area. Use plenty of water to wash off the chemical. Cover the burn and send for the doctor. First aid for firefighting. In case there is a fire in a building, inform the nearest fire station. In case of fire caused by petrol, do not throw water on it. Put out the fire by throwing lots of sand or mud on it. First aid for animal bites. Wash the wound with soap and water to remove germs. Apply an antiseptic lotion to prevent infection. Bandage the wound and rush the victim to doctor. If snake bites, take a clean cloth, press it very tightly and take another cloth and bind it very tightly. Because of the poison, blood will not reach the heart. And call the ambulance. Then take the patient to the doctor.